Hey, what up? It's Jonathan Zabrocki here. But I want to talk to you today about really two things. And the thing that I see a lot of traditional realtors make the mistake with is that they make requests. And what we do instead, the realtors that are using my system, we present opportunities. So let me give you a quick example. A realtor that makes a request, let's say at an open house, they go like, hey, can you sign in here? Well, there's no value to that. There's no opportunity, right? Where what we do instead, present opportunity, is we're like, hey, welcome to your new home. I'm Jonathan and you are? Oh, cool. Hey, stay as long as you want, as short as you want. If you got any questions on this place, let me know. If you got any questions in general about real estate, let me know that too. See ya. And then we walk away. And that's very, very different. Another example would be a realtor making a request would be like, well, how many bedrooms are you looking for? How many bathrooms are you looking for? What area of town are you looking for? Those are all beyond generic questions/requests. And Joe Q Public knows that. And so that's why they're not willing to engage with you. They're not willing to connect with you. Where instead what we do, we, again, present an opportunity, right? And so the opportunity is this. We'll say something like, hey, would you like to buy this house? No. Cool. Hey, would it be okay with you if I help you get what you want? Like, would that help you out? Would that ease your stress level? So easy, right? So there are hundreds of things that I do differently and we do differently inside what I call the Freedom Club, the people who are using my complete, proven, simple signature system, where we are presenting opportunities to buyers and sellers instead of just making requests. And when you know the opportunities to present to people, that's when you're going to massively connect with them at a much deeper, higher, quicker level. And that's really the secret. Learning how to connect with people and present opportunities is the secret to getting buyers and sellers in the top 50% of your market's price point. Because once you start working in that upper 50% of your market's price point, oh my gosh, your income goes up, your stress level goes down, you don't have to work with as many people, and these people have like a plethora of money. They're not going to be stuck on like, oh man, what if the GFI outlet doesn't work? Those things are long gone. So if you want to learn how to present opportunities and you're done with making like requests to people that go nowhere, then click somewhere on here. There's a link and I'll teach you the entire system from A to Z. Would you be okay with that? Yeah, if you'd be okay with that, to learn my system from A to Z, and if you'd be okay with me teaching you personally the system, not some minion of mine, right? And the whole system, again, is designed to get you in the top 50% of buyers and sellers in your marketplace so that you start adding $25,000 of income per month to you. All right, see ya. Click somewhere on here and let's get started. Bye.